So it looks like water accumulates in the door here somehow. You can actually hear it shaking. Oh, that's odd. The weep holes get clogged. Oh, that accelerates rust a bit, huh? 2019 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid XLE. Wow, that's weird. What's going on, Toyotas? Wow. I wonder why the driveway was always wet. Oh, look at the funk, too. Oh, man. Hope that didn't rust apart the doors. All right, here we go. Sort of draining. Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow, that's messed up. Huh. Very bizarre. Anything on the front door? Let's go around to this side. Anything? No. A lot of rain lately. Oh, there's a little dribbles. Oh, that's odd. Alright, rear doors seem to hold onto moisture quite a bit. Oh wow, alright. Driver side rear passenger definitely held more.